Okay, as you can see, I pulled the motor off. Sorry, I have a mask on. I'm going to cut the floors out. If you feel underneath, there's a lip. You just cut in front of that lip. Leave a little bit, that way if you fuck up, like I probably will. You can use a cutoff wheel. I always check. Make sure you're not going to cut into the fucking where it sets into. You don't want to do that work. Start curving it here. I'm probably about an inch away. Don't get a 6 foot long fucking nozzle blade. It's kind of pointless. Ta-da! I got close. Ooh, that's right on the edge. Right. Might as well do the other one while I'm out here, right? Sorry if I keep track of everything. Been trying to get out here when I can, how I can. Ton of other shit on my plate. You know how that goes. Look, got gloves in my pocket. Wasn't even wearing them. See what I'm dealing with. You guys are part of the gear shifter. That's better. I'm not zoomed at all, but fuck it. Oh. I'm pulling that bike in the garage soon. Take a break from this bug. Right along the edge. Somebody replaced this with like 10. So can't really tell where the edge is if there is an edge. So we're just gonna hope for the best. helps if you take the tar paper off. These blades don't like tar paper. I got this all on the seat frame. So it's basically an inch all the way around. You can scribe it, you can mark it, you can do what the fuck ever. Honestly, oops, if you hold this right there, it's about an inch, close enough. And you can hold this right up against the wall as best as possible. Yep. Alright. Bring it back. It's not the best fit yet. I just set it in there real quick. Looks pretty good though. These are Wolfsburg. Pretty sure it's Wolfsburg. Let's go look at the box. Wolfsburg West. I am in no way sponsored by anybody. Kind of wish it was, because this shit isn't cheap. These pans are on the probably the higher end of the price range of pans, but I mean, you get what you pay for. Here's some sturdy fucking pans, you know what I mean? I mean, it's not even welded in, and that's solid. You get that welded in, shit. This transmission's gonna come out probably next. I don't know how to take it out. I think there's 2 bolts on the bottom. One bolt, 2 bolts on the back. Probably this thingamajigger. And these CVs. Are they called CVs on the bug? I don't know. Then this clutch, man, this motherfucker, I'm guessing the rear main seal. But the clutch itself, like this bearing is delicious. The clutch looks fucking brand new. It's a Sachs. Sachs is pretty good. I run Sachs in my Jeep with a Timken throwout bearing. So, we'll see. I'll pull these off and take a look at it. Another day, this is going to go to, well, you can see all that degreaser I put on there. I tried that bullshit, I don't even know what the fuck it was called. Don't mind my trash pile, I need to go to the dump. I don't even know what I did with it. The WD-40, like the biodegradable shit, sucks. The shit. That shit sucks. I mean, it works for like light grease, but I mean like light grease. And then my wife bought some that simple, clean and simple or some shit. That shit sucks. So I used the original gunk and it worked pretty good, but I needed some more. So I got 2 cans of the gel gunk and that shit worked good. I'm just gonna hit it once more. Because there is some shit like down in here. I don't even know what the fuck that piece is for. Oh well. I mean, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. I'll hit it once more just because it's going to my cousin's house. If this was just Joe Schmo mechanic, I'd say fuck it, I wouldn't have degreased it the first time. You know what I'm saying? Then I started scraping on this. Hit it with the scraper a little bit. It's a pain in the dick. I got like this far and was like, dude, I gotta do something else. My brain is going numb. I felt myself getting dumber. You know what I mean? It's a mundane job. I don't know. I got some stripper. Not the kind you throw dollar bills at. The kind that like strips paint off. so I'm gonna try that out. Looks pretty good around the windows. Back there is fucked. We already knew that. And I think the worst part is right here, which I already showed you. And this. I'm gonna try and pound that out. We'll see. Can't really see it because the bumper is right there. That's probably what caused the damage. The bumper probably went right into it. Anyways. Yeah, and I think I need to order a card for that fucking thing because it keeps fucking flooding over. I've rebuilt it like 3 times. Same rebuild kit, but I've polished the fucking the needle seat like at least 3 times, maybe more than that. Alright, I might pull that motor off the shelf and put that bicycle up there and start working on it, just because I like to have 30 projects going on at once. I'll try and break them up somehow and do playlists, but we'll see how that works out. Alright, deuces.